Hello, good morning, friends. This is Sanjeev doing a showcase of my listing in Deltona on 1500 Brayton. This is a two-car garage. Walking into the home. This is a four-bedroom, two-bath with a pool. This is the front brick getting into the house. On the right-hand side is the dining room. The view outside. It has a fireplace right here, and this is the room on the left hand side. It can be used like a den room. This is like fifth room going into the house. This is the family room. This is the fireplace, access from two areas, the front and the family room. On the right hand side is the kitchen, brand new countertop with quartz. So coming back, this is the kitchen with quartz countertop which was just installed. Cabinets. All the appliances are stainless steel appliances. Brand new. And this is a nook with a view to the pool. Now entering the master bedroom, which has bay windows, access to the pool, back porch. The sides are fenced. The pool is enclosed, screened. Walking into the master bathroom, tub, his and hers sink, water closet, standing shower, master closet with a door. Now going back outside into master bedroom, into the kitchen area, the living family place, the nook, and we're going to go to the pool in the back side. The flooring has a stone finish, fans in the back, covered porch, the pool, and also a spa area. It has a backyard space which is also fenced with two mango trees. Going back into the home now. On the right hand side are three rooms, and this is the second bath. Also has access to the pool area, full bath, tub, sink, and this is room number 2. Each room has a fan. This is the view to the backyard. Now walking back into the patio, the driveway. We have some space here for the closet. On the right hand side is the room number 3. Fan and the closet. Now we are going to room number 4. Pretty large room here. A lot of sunlight into the house, fan, and the closet. You're walking back into the living room or family room, where the kitchen is there, family room. All the house is all screened, or all not screened, it is all flooring, hard floor flooring. Thank you very much, and that's the main door. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 321-297-3009. One more time, we are going to step outside now from the kitchen. This is the family room. Walking to the front entrance, front porch, blue skies in Florida with 72 degrees on the 10th of December. This is the neighborhood here. That's my sign here, and this is the front of the house. One more time. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please give me a call, 321-297-3009. Wanted to add, this one also has solar panels, which will save you electricity and make it more energy efficient. Thanks. Bye-bye.